Now all it's left on our Mini is to tidy these wheels up. Look like used to be in white, and yeah, tidy them up, make them black again, and take the Mini for MOT. So with wheels, first gonna clean them all up and then light sand them and then spray them. And here is one wheel cleaned. It used to be in white, a bit of black overspray. So I'm gonna clean the other wheels, try to flatten down or smooth up these little curb marks, fine sand it all the way through and spray it again. These curb marks are really strong, so I'm going to try to use like a flappy sanding disc or wheel on a drill. Just to get it less coarse. This one's really deep. Just gonna go all the way around wherever I got scratch mark. So I just grabbed a selection of sandpaper. I got 120, got 240, 320 wet and dry, and 600 wet and dry. I'm just going to try to neaten them up. So with this 120, which is fairly coarse for this sort of thing, just going to run over the edges that I've done with a fluffy wheel. A little bit of 40. And 240, I'm using these peels here as well. Ready? And all I have to do now is repeat all of this on other 3 wheels. Right, now all sanded down. blow all the dust off and any little water that's left. Wipe it off nice and clean all the dust off, and then spray it. Now I'm going to use satin black as a base coat, and then I got jet black, which is glossy black paint, and I'm going to top coat it. So first, with this satin black, I'm just going to touch up, sort of prime these bare spots. Just like that. 5-10 minutes to dry out. Then I might need to do a bit more where aluminium was completely bare. And then I'm going to do one nice even coat all the way around. Now, when I was putting this masking tape, you might notice that I didn't really tack it all the way behind the rim, because I'm spraying it with black. It's a black tire, so if I get a little bit of overspray in these last couple of millimeters around the edge, around the perimeter, it's not going to matter because it's black on black. It's not going to affect it. First coat. Now, even this satin black gives really nice finish. I actually like it like that, but because car is black gloss, I think it will be better on wheels if I do wheels gloss. So I got jet black, which is actually gloss from the same industrial paint range from Pro Coat. And I'm just gonna top it up now with shiny. Not loose. The wheels are all glossed up. And leave them to cure. Nice.